Good morning everyone. My name is Kuday. I am studying 7th standard at KB School. Now I am presenting PowerPoint. Home, Insert, Design, Animation, Slideshow, Review, View. Home tab. Clipboard, Slide, Font, Paragraph, Drawing, Editing. Insert. Tables, illustrations, links, text, media clips. Design, page setup, things, background. Animation, preview, animation, translator to this slideshow. Start slideshow, setup, monitor, review, proofing, comment, protect. View, presentation view, show, height, zoom, color, grayscale, window, macros. Thank you.